Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, let's start focusing on learning about how to design a website. So the very first basic that you have to know is what is a website. Now if you are an user and if you want to buy a products from online, the very first website that comes to your mind is Amazon or maybe Flipkart, right? Now when you have a look at the URL, it says www.amazon.in or maybe www.flipkart.com. Now if you are a user, it doesn't really need it for you to know what www stands for or maybe what .in or .com stands for. But now you are learning digital marketing and you are going to be the digital marketer, so you have to know what is the breakdown of the website. Now let's break down www.amazon.in. The first part is www. The abbreviation is World Wide Web. You have to think it like a huge worldwide network where all the websites live, and most of the websites starts with www, so that it's on the internet. Then we have the second part, Amazon. This is the name of the website, name of a business. Just like we give names to people or places, the websites will also have names. So here Amazon is the name of the website. Amazon started as a small online bookstore, right? And it grew into a giant website where you can buy almost anything from clothes to electronics. And finally, .in. This part is called an extension. What exactly the extension means? It tells us something about the website. For example, Amazon has .in because it is for people in India. And when it comes to the websites can have different extensions based on what they are about and where they are. Now let's understand some of the few common extensions. When it comes to .com, it will be used for commercial sites. Amazon.com is the main Amazon website and it is for everyone around the world. That's why when it comes to .in, it is especially for the people that resides in India. If the Amazon.us, it will be for the people that resides especially for US. So when I say .com, it is used for the commercial sites or maybe the main website. Now if the website ends with org, think of it like the website is for organizations, especially for non-profits. For example, wikipedia.org. And if there is any businesses that are related to education, they can use the website extension like .edu. So universities, for example, harvard.edu. I want to give one more example for government websites. In India, you might see websites like india.gov, right? So if the government making an use of the websites, they take the extensions .gov. So each extension gives a little more information about the website. I hope you have understand what is a website and the breakdown of it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down. And when I go through your comments and if I really feel that I missed something that's related to website, I will do a special video for you and post it right below this video. And if you really feel that my videos are helpful to you, keep supporting and do not forget to share my videos to your friends and families who really would like to learn digital marketing from the very basics. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.